Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Figured I'd come on here and give you guys an update. You guys know I haven't been on here in a while because I took another tumble and broke a bone in my ankle and my foot again. Well, I didn't break it the last time. Last year I rolled my other ankle and that took forever to heal. But this time I did good, and I have this lovely boot that I have to wear and drag around with me for several weeks. But anyway, it's just the way it's been going. But anyway, most of you guys know 2 years ago I was diagnosed with CIDP, which is chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy, which is a condition where my immune system wants to eat the casings off of my nerves. So it's a very difficult thing. It took me almost 2 years to get back to like walking semi-normal. So this was really a kick in the butt because I had just started to like drive a little bit now and stuff since things have been getting better. And then this happened and it was like, I just felt really defeated for a little while. So that's why I haven't been on here. I just have got to get myself back together, but we're going here again. I'm going to get to the Dollar Tree. I dug my scooter because, when I first came home from the hospital, when I first got diagnosed, I had to use a scooter to go anywhere and a walker and all this other stuff, which I've been using a walker around the house just to, take the weight off my foot. But, so dug the scooter back out. It's in my car. So we're ready to go hit the Dollar Tree. So I just got to get moving here again and just keep it going. And things will get better here eventually. But anyway, I kind of want to give you guys an update. I've been saying I was going to, probably for the last year. I used to go in every 2 weeks to get infusions at the cancer center. That's where they do all the infusions for everything. And I used to go 2 days in a row to get the IVIG infusions, and they were like 5 hours a piece. So I did that for like over a year, and then they switched me over to an injection now that I just go weekly, and I'm only there for an hour, which is wonderful. So far so good. That seems to be keeping things better. There's no cure for this, but this manages it pretty well. So hopefully things keep going the right way. I don't know. I had to get off the infusions that I was getting because it was destroying my kidneys. So now I also have stage 3B kidney disease from all that stuff. But anyway, that's stabilized now and everything seems to be doing good. But it's just constant doctors and kidney doctors and now orthopedic doctors and infusions, injections, all this fun stuff. And then my husband's got his things too. But anyway, it was 2 Saturdays ago. I just went to walk out the back door, and it's just a step maybe this high off the ground. And I went to step down, and my ankle just rolled. And luckily my husband was holding the door for me, so he pretty much caught me so I didn't face plant in the concrete. So that was a good thing. But anyway, I just want to let you guys know everything that was going on here. So yeah, things are getting better. I got to wear this thing probably for another week or so. We'll see. I don't know. I'm going to try to find a different orthopedic doctor because I did not care for this guy that I talked to. He just kind of like stared at me half the time, like when I'm saying anything to him. My husband was like, what's wrong with this guy when we left? Because he's just more or less just like looking at me. And then I asked him, if he knew anything about my condition. And he had no clue what I was talking about. So that was another great thing. Because one of his questions was, do you have any numbness in your feet? Well, yes. From this disease, my feet are numb all the time on the bottom. I always feel like I'm walking on like these thick sponges. It's very strange. And a lot of times my fingertips, up to about here, they kind of go numb a lot too. Well, pretty much every day. So a lot of times, and everybody's asking me to do more crafts and stuff, there's a lot of days I can't because I just can't feel things with my fingers. So that's why a lot of times you don't see too many craft projects, and at other times, when it's doing good, then I try to crank out as many as I can at one time. But I got to get back in this craft room here and get doing things because I'm bored out of my gourd. I am not one to just sit around and put my feet up and, you know, we're always busy doing things. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys about this stuff. I don't know what else has been going on. I think that's pretty much it. I know people have been asking me how I've been doing with this stuff. I was doing pretty good. I think I was walking pretty well. When this first happened, I couldn't even hold a pen in my hand or anything, and it was a mess. But thankfully, I have a wonderful neurologist who's done amazing things, really, to get me going here again. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know, and I wanted to thank you all so much for all of your thoughts, prayers, your wonderful comments. And I tried to get back to some of them. I just haven't even been able to get to a lot of my laptop. Of course, that is acting up, and I think it's got a virus in it, so I'm not going to use that for a while. Well, probably not ever. I'll probably just get rid of it because it's old, and yeah, it's acting funny, and I got locked out of my YouTube account and everything yesterday. I couldn't get back in there. It took a while, but everything's good to go now. But you'd like to sit in my chair and just answer comments, but now I can't because stupid laptop's not working right. But I have a cute little video I want to add on here too. I have my walker that I've been pushing around the house here, and I connected a little Dollar Tree basket to the front of it, and little P likes to sit on the basket. I call him my little hood ornament. So I took a little bit of a video that I'll put on here at the end just to give you guys a little giggle, and that's it. And then I will be back tomorrow with a Dollar Tree haul. Yay! Get out and get about and get doing things again here, guys. But anyway, thanks so much again, everybody, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone.